Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take an exam in Simnet. So whenever you come into Simnet, you should see a screen that looks similar to this. You'll want to look to see where it says exams and practice exams. You want to click on that, and then you will have one or more tiles here for the exam you want to take. So for example, if we click on this exam here, says it needs a password. If you're taking it through Examity or some other proctoring software, the proctor should provide a password. If you're taking it in class, your instructor will provide the password for you. Notice here on the exam, there's 35 questions. Attempts allowed, you only get one. That means attempts per question. Time limit is usually going to be between 75 minutes, 90 minutes, or maybe even 120. Usually I'll stick it at about 90 minutes. The status is not started because I haven't started this exam. So if we click this, okay, shows here we have no attempt so far. So we click here on Take Exam. And what happens then is it loads. It says who I am, what the time is, how many attempts per question. You get 5, and so you say, okay, I agree to this. And then your question appears. Notice up here's your name. Here's some more exam information if you want that tells you really the information we just saw. Help, you can submit it after you're done. You go through and you read the question and you do what it says. If you click here where it says toggle question list, it shows you a list of the questions. And we click on cancel. Notice the time limit here. It tells you how much time you've got left on the exam. If you want to go to another next question, you can click this, or you can go back a question that you haven't done yet, or you can go all the way to the end if you'd like. So the best way to get familiar with this environment is to look at the practice exams because the layout is exactly the same. The only difference is the number of questions. We give you 70 on those instead of 35, and all the rest of the interface is pretty much exactly the same except maybe the time limit. So that is the best way to prepare for the exam, but this just gives you a general idea of what you'll see on the exam and in the way that it's laid out. So here, once you're done, you click on Submit, you click on Submit the exam, and then it tells you what your score is. So that's it. That's how you take an exam in Simnet.